Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on THEVAX.
Diri sa UK, by appointment ang pag-administer. Kag pagkatapos mo nga ma-injectionan, kinahanglan ikaw nga pag-obserbahan sing 15 minutos kung ikaw magka-severe side effects. Sa akon nga experience siya, 2 hours after ako ma-injectionan, nagtumar ako sang paracetamol para hindi masyado maghubag or magsakit ang akon nga injection site. Then 3 days after, ako nabatyagan dryness of mouth and throat, in which permi ko lang siya ginaimnan tubig. And na-experience ko ini for like 5 days, and then nadula man lang siya. Why did I decide to have the vaccine? Working as a frontliner and as a registered nurse, and being a mother of 2 younger children, every single day is a risk. So, my main reason, one of my main reason is to keep my family safe. And being a registered nurse, I would like to reassure my patients that they are safe with me. And of course, having the vaccine and making myself safe, I would be able to carry on with my job. Because, of course, not having a vaccine is putting myself at risk of being ill and then being off and not able to work. And another main thing that I presented myself to be one of the first few ones to get the vaccine is to be able to travel and see my family and my friends in Philippines. Because in time, like what they're saying, if you want to travel, countries might impose a vaccination passport. Would you advise other people to get vaccinated? Definitely yes, para makabalik na ang aton pagpangabuhi kag pagginawi sa normal. To keep you safe and to keep everybody safe. Kay pariho man lang ini siya sang bakuna nga ginhatag sa aton sang kitagamay pa. Example, MMR, BCG, or flu vaccine which is yearly. Kay kung wala ining mga vaccine, ining mga sakit wala man matapna. And of course, for us to travel freely without hesitation, kag isipon taman ang future sang aton pamilya, especially ang mga kabataan.